The way people use the internet is drastically changing as a result of this strategy. Since practically everyone has access to the internet, everyone has the opportunity to try and make money online using this straightforward technique. Do not worry because this is not social media content creation, internet retail, or affiliate marketing. Even without any training or experience, you can complete this. The only thing you have to do is copy and paste some text. With that said, I urge you to watch the entire video to find out how you make money online. This time, I'll let you know about 3 online websites that you can use to make money. But before we start digging deeper into this, welcome to Online Money Machine, where you can find the most amazing online money making ideas, tricks, and tips. Subscribe, like, and turn the notifications on so that you can get notified whenever I post a new video. On the internet, Google is a pretty effective tool that also enables you to make money. I'll demonstrate how to use it well in this video so that you can keep getting paid. What's better is that you don't have to use this strategy all day long. Just 30 minutes of your time are required. In addition, you can select the payment options that best meets your needs. You can choose to get paid through PayPal, bank transfer, Payoneer, and other payment methods. You should visit Google News as a starting point. Simply enter Google News in the search field and click the official Google News website link in the list of results. You can also search news.google.com in your search bar to directly go to the page. You can now access this website's most recent news and information. In essence, it acts as a doorway to a variety of online information similar to an online newspaper. You may browse news on a wide range of topics on Google News, including business, politics, sports, technology, entertainment, and science. You can see all of this site's categories. In this video, we'll concentrate on the news stories that relate to business, technology, entertainment, science, and health. I'll use the category of health as an example. You can view the page to see the most recent health-related news from various sources. I'll browse down to find a useful article that looks interesting. This recently published paper is quite good. Click the article once more to read it. The entire article has to be copied after that. After that, we are going to proceed to accessing the 3 websites that I have told you about. However, there is something that we need to do with the copied article first. We need to change it so that it would sound unique. So we would proceed to a site where we can retype the said article. The name of this website is spinbot.com. You just need to go to it by searching it on Google. Basically, you can paraphrase and rewrite your article using this website. You simply need to paste the article you copied onto its page at this point. Then, it will assist you with paraphrasing it to make it sound distinctive. The pieces that have been paraphrased will be used on 3 additional websites that I will disclose. You'll get paid by these websites for those articles. There are some websites that will pay $1 per word. The article I selected is over 1,000 words long. As a result, it is easy to see how much money you could earn from this website. You need to paste this article on Spinbot. Simply scroll down below and complete the I am not a robot test after passing the article. The website will then automatically reword your article to make it unique when you press go. Do not worry, the context and message will remain the same. Once finished, you can copy the article that has been paraphrased. When you upload and submit it to the places I'll mention, you can start making money. Before we proceed with the video, I want to ask you some questions. Is this your first time looking for a way to earn money online? If yes, then please tell us about your experience in the comment section of our video. I also want to ask you whether you have any online tips and techniques that you can share with us. Who knows, we might feature the technique that you will tell us in our future videos. It would always be better if many people earn money online. So comment down below and do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel as well. Now back to the video. Eatwell.com is the name of the first website. You can get paid by this website to submit articles to their page. You are not required to write an article, of course. All you have to do is to paraphrase the Google News stories. Simply utilize Spinbot while paraphrasing to produce effective, high-quality output. You can get paid $1 per word on this page. Imagine being able to make a significant amount of money from just one website. We still have 2 websites to look at for our video, which we will do later. You may be wondering how to submit an article to this website. To find this part, simply scroll down till you see this section. It provides the contact details for the website. Simply take a copy of their email address. You must then access your personal email account. Write an email with the phrase article submission in the subject line. You can lengthen it or alter the wording. Just be certain that the article submission context won't change. Include a copy of your article as an attachment in the message body. After that, simply send it to them by pasting their email address. It will be evaluated, and if it meets the standards of the reviewer, you will be compensated via PayPal. Your email address and PayPal account information must also be included in the message. Again, you have a variety of payment choices. All you have to do is make sure to include it in your email. Once you're finished, all you have to do is wait to receive your payment. SierraClub.org is another website that will compensate you for creating articles. You can find their website by typing SierraClub.org into the Google search bar. On their page, you may also get instructions and details about their article submission guidelines. Similar to the previous website, all you have to do is write them an email. Simply copy their email address, then enter in your own email ad. Create a message with the topic Submitting Articles after that. You only need to attach the article to the message body. Send it to their email address after that. The content on this website that you need to submit does not concern health and fitness. You should look for articles on science and technology instead. Simply select the science category from the list of categories on the left of your Google News screen to get this kind of article. You will get all of the most recent news and information on science when you select the science category. Once more, all you need to do is locate the ideal content you can, then copy its content and head over to Spinbot. On that page, you will revise your article to sound more original. Once you're finished, simply upload the paraphrased article as a Word document to SierraClub.org. Daily.jstore.org is the final website where you can make money. Just visit their page to find out more about the guidelines for submission. You won't get paid as much on this website as you would on other websites. However, it will still boost your earnings by a respectable amount. Thus, you can still use this site to generate online passive income. This website is excellent because it only accepts articles that are no longer than 2,000 words. You can receive about 31 cents per word on this website. You can already make $100 with this website. All you have to do is copy and paste some text. All that's left to do is wait until you get paid after that. This is an extremely good chance to make money. Using Google News to make money is a simple process. What are you still holding out for? You should do it right away. Again, this is Online Money Machine, and do not forget to hit like and subscribe to my YouTube channel to know more about how to make money online.